This 3 crores, what has happened to this?
It's the projector.
You need to adjust the selector cable.
Is that, for example, the saving, right? 40 years, I agree, is a pretty long time, right? But if you just create a visual, this is how do people succeed in, say, weight loss? Most people, right? They create a visual, okay? This is how I will look like. And this is what I gain by giving up this instant gratification. Something similar. So this is human nature. I absolutely agree, okay? The attempt here is to understand the rewards of postponing your gratification. And if you create a picture of that, it probably helps you. That I think is the lesson. So I think this is the one, somebody was asking me when I was saying, I just can't seem to save. Okay? And I think that's where you were saying that, right? And I think that's something that a very wise man has once said, that you must spend after what is left after investing, rather than invest from what is left after spending. Any guesses on who said this? From your parents, okay? Some way in which you are running your expenditure. Whether tomorrow you will be earning money, initially small, later on fairly big money, right? The way to do this is treat only 80% of your income as income. The balance 20%, just take it out up front. It just does not exist. So if you have an allowance of 10,000 rupees, your allowance is 8. You will find that expenses magically adjust to the 8. Just like the expenses magically adjust to the 10. I mean, where did that figure of 10 come from? Right? And that will be true year after year, month. No matter how much is your income, you will never have enough money left to invest. If you follow that, I will invest what is left after spending. So cut your investment right in the beginning. This is one mantra. Please, if you learn this from the workshop, this whole trip from Bombay would have been worth it. Okay? Your income, whatever allowance, income is only 80% of what it is. The balance 20% has to go into investing first. It goes first, not later. And you just don't, if you don't have money, what do? You adjust, no? Okay? So you call up, Papa, I want to go for this great show by, who's a good band nowadays? What's a good band?
That's a matter of...
Akshita never makes this demand, so I don't know. Thank you, Akshita. Okay. Okay. So, I want to go for this band, right? And the tickets are going to cost 3,000 rupees. Can you please give me? And your father says, no. Okay. Right? What do? You don't go. Right? So, something similar. I think investing 20% of your income through, and we will today not get into, so those of you are, I don't really want to get into what you should invest in. Okay? We can do that post this workshop is over. We can, for those of you who are interested. I think right now for you, it is important that you get into the habit that you invest 20%. It can be in a recurring deposit in a bank. That's the safest. Just get into that habit, that your income is only 80%. And expenses, believe me, will magically try it for a month, try it for 2 months. You will find your expenses magically adjust. Right? You can do this at any stage of your life. So this is the third rule, right? Follow the 20% investment rule.